If your PayPal account's been hacked, don't panic. We'll walk you through what you need to do to take back control, protect your money, and lock out cyber criminals for good. First, try logging into your PayPal account. If your password isn't working, click Forgot Password on the login page. Then, follow the prompts to reset it. If you can get back in your PayPal account, head straight to your account settings and look for any suspicious changes. Check your backup email, phone number, and linked bank accounts. But if the hacker already changed your email, you'll need to do more. Click Forgot Email and enter up to 3 possible emails you may have used. PayPal might still be able to identify your account and help you reset access. If that fails, skip the emails entirely and go directly to PayPal's official website. Find the Contact Us section, scroll down, and click Call Us. Since you won't be able to log in, select Call Us as a guest instead. Never call a PayPal number from a suspicious email or invoice. Scammers love to pose as PayPal support. Once you're back in control, lock your account down. Start by changing your password. Make sure to include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and aim for at least 12 characters. Next, activate two-factor authentication. It adds a second layer of defense and gives you alerts when someone tries to break in. Then, reset your security questions and review your recent account activity. If you see unfamiliar transactions, report them immediately through PayPal's Resolution Center. If you act fast, you may be eligible for a refund through PayPal's Purchase Protection. Submit a report in 60 days for unauthorized transactions and 180 days for missing or misrepresented items. Now that you've secured your PayPal, let's make sure it never happens again. Avoid clicking links in emails claiming to be from PayPal, and don't ever call customer service numbers in direct messages. Use a strong, unique password and never share personal information with buyers or sellers. And consider investing in identity theft protection to monitor your credit, financial accounts, and more. A hacked PayPal account can feel like a nightmare, but with fast action, smart habits, and a little extra protection, you can shut the door on hackers.